So here we are in virtual reality, of course, and this is our docking module. And so here in this module you can sit here and practice over and over and over again. And here's the cool thing: we can dial in what wind speed that we've got going on, what direction it is. And so what I want to do is just show you, let's dial it up to 20 knots and let's get the wind out of the east. And we're going to practice docking onto this dock over here. And here's the cool thing, and this is what I always say, is that it's a mistake for anybody to assume that just because you've been taught something that you can consistently do it with competence. And so what creates competence is experience, doing something over and over and over again. And so that's what we've got in virtual reality. Here I am. Here's my steering wheel. I can control the steering wheel. I've got the throttle right here. I can control the throttle. And so let's go dock over here, and you can practice over and over again. We put the lines on, we can get up to the dock, and if you get it wrong, it just doesn't matter. In virtual reality, we're not going to lose any gel coat. So let's go over to the dock, and it's going to give the boat a bit of a spin around here. There we go. And we'll get up to the dock. Now, we've got the wind coming directly blowing us off the dock. So potentially this can be a bit of a tricky situation, and we're going to do this single-handedly. So let's get up there and we'll use some spring lines to get us on the dock. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the forward spring line on first, and once that happens, then the boat is completely safe, and then we can just spring the boat around onto the dock. And this is total fun. You can just keep doing this over and over again, get really good at it. I mean, the great thing about being taught is you know the principles, but then practicing it over and over again. So in a year's time, you go to, say, Croatia, and you want to get into the dock. There's $1 million boat next to you. You're under a bit of pressure. And because you've done it over and over again in VR right before your trip, it's not going to be a problem. Let's just get us up to the dock. I'm just nosing right into the wind, and the only thing you're going to have to do is pretend that we've actually got fenders out on this one, because in the VR we don't have fenders. So I'm actually just going to nose right up to the dock, and then I'm going to put the spring line on, okay? So we'll get up nice and close. Here we go, a bit further. Okay, I'm going to jump up at the front of the boat, and we're going to lock the cleat on. Now, going to go back. Okay, here we are. Wind is blowing, and we now want to get onto the dock. So I'm just going to spring us on. So here we go. Do a little bit of this, and let's watch the boat, the back of the boat, the stern of the boat, just come right up onto the dock. And then we can just tie on the back, and then we can tighten up on the front. So here we go. Pushing the boat over, and there we go. Now we're on. Okay, we're safe. Now we can do things like bring the lines in a little bit, and we can jump up front, and we can take those lines in, and take in, and there we go. We're on. I did that all by myself, and I've practiced over and over again. And I knew, because the wind was blowing me directly off the dock, I knew to come straight into the dock, give me some time to get up the front of the dock, front of the boat, and cleat on the lines. And now we can put other spring lines on. We can put them from there, back here, and everything. But we're on. And you can practice this over and over and over again. Different situations. You can spring on over here, over there. You can change the wind direction. We could come on a wind direction directly in front of us, directly behind us, or to the side. Anything you want to do, you practice over and over again in VR, and get really, really good at it. Master docking.